Hello everybody, in this series of videos you're going to be learning about how you can create a social media app using React. So let's just get started. So here I'm just going to show my screen, and the first thing that I've done is right here I've created a React app using npx create React app. And then I've just gone ahead and started it up. So I've gone ahead and done some other stuff too, so just small stuff. So here in the source, I've deleted the test file. So app.test.js, logo.svg, and setup.test.js. So I've deleted those files. And then here in app.js, I've removed everything inside it, inside the div. And then I've changed this to a lowercase a, and then just put a h1 that just says social media app. So simple, right? And right now what I'm actually going to do is just do const app is equal to an arrow function, like so. So there we go. And then obviously in app.css I've removed everything, and in index.css I've just added this little piece of code. And now the last thing that I've done is in index.html, removed all of the comments, and I've changed the logo to a logo that I've got right over here. So I'm just going to show that, and this is the logo that I've got. So I've done that, and then I've made the title social media app. So that's all that I've done. So basically in this video what we're going to be doing is creating the header for our social media app. So I'm just going to create a div with the class name of app__ header. So for the BEM naming convention, we have the __. And then what I'm going to do is, right over here, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to do a div called app header image, like so. And then inside that div, or sorry, that is not a div, that's an image tag. So there we go, and it's going to be a self-closing tag, like so. And the source for it is just going to be an image that I have here. So icon png. So I've got that in my public folder, and then there we go. So we have the icon coming through. And now after that, what we are going to do is, I'm just going to paste this part in. So it's just a search container, and inside of that I've got an icon and an input. So this is coming from Material UI. So I'm just going to do material-ui.com. So that's their website. So I'm just going to wait for that to load up. There we go. Now we need to install Material UI. So let's just wait for this to load up right over here. So hopefully it loads up faster. Okay. So now I'm just going to go ahead and copy that and come right here, and then I'm going to obviously create a new terminal for that so that we don't have to stop the currently running application. So I'm just going to cd and just install it. Now we just have to wait for a while until that installs, and until then, yeah, we have to wait for a while. So after this is done, I'll be back. So as you can see right over here, it's gone ahead and installed, and now we need another package, which is Material UI icons, like so. So even this is just gonna go ahead and install, and we obviously have to wait for that. So when that's doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and import that from Material UI core, and we don't need the input for now. And then I'm going to import that from the icon library. So obviously I haven't got that installed yet, so we need to wait for this to install too. So after it's installed, I'll be back. So as you can see right here, even the icon library has been installed. So if I just go ahead and save that, the icon, the search icon should pop up right over here. So let's just wait for this to load up. So let's just go ahead and load it up, and we've got that. It looks ugly, but we will go ahead and fix that. So app search container, we will exit that div, and then I'm just going to paste this in right over here. So just give me a second, and right there. So that one. So it's just two buttons, and obviously right over here, the on click. This we haven't got that yet. So oops. I click that. Okay, there you go. And then we will just go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, there we go. And boom. There. Now we save that and come here. There you go, sign in and sign up. And now obviously the CSS, we need to do that. So app.css, and just go ahead and paste the CSS in. So the CSS right here, paste that, and that's what we want. So I'm just going to save that and come back here, and that isn't really how we want that to look, and it's because of the logo. So if I just go ahead and set the width to like let's just say 50 pixels, and same for the height, and that should make it smaller. Okay, that's way too small, so I'm just gonna change that right over here. Oops, I'm just doing that so that we can edit both of the areas. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Let's just do 100 pixels maybe. Okay, so after that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do object fit. Okay, it's already there. And then margin left, I'm just going to get rid of that like so. And then after that, I'm going to do margin dash right, or not right, sorry, margin top, and I'm going to do minus 30 pixels. So that's going to take it up, and that's way too much. So let's just do like 20 maybe. And okay, that's better. And then margin dash right, I'm going to do minus 50 pixels. Not enough. Let's just do minus 200 pixels. That's way too much, right? No? Okay. And then the search container, I'm going to do margin left of, I'm just going to actually remove that. Let's just do minus 10. Okay. Minus 200. So I think that's fine. And then, actually no, let's just do minus 150. Okay. And then, yeah, I think that's it here. And then right here for the height, I'm just going to do height of 40 pixels. And okay, there you go. So that's looking pretty good right there. So yeah, with that being said, that's it for this video. And in this video, what we basically did was create the header. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.